Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today we're going to do a quick whip and chat with the same wonderful painting that we've been doing. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So let me start the timer, always making sure it's within the 10 minutes or probably more. I've been noticing that it's been more, so maybe I should put 10-ish minutes for the name of these videos because I always forget. I don't know, sometimes you're on a groove and you just start talking and you forget, oh my goodness, I'm on a timer, but that's kind of a good thing. Because, it's a little bit more natural. I guess that's the wording I can put. Anyway, today I want to talk about my stash. That sounds bad when I word it like that. And I don't, anytime I talk about my stash, I always feel that I'm kind of, bragging a bit. And I'm not. I am not. I am the last person that would do that. But it's because I've seen some people leave a comment asking to see the stash or, oh, so what do you have in your stash and all of that. So I know originally I was showing my stash through the Gems Flow program. I was making sure whether I had logged into the program, but I'll be honest, recently I've been purchasing a couple more. And even more honestly, majority of them, okay, all of them, are from Diamond Art Club. And I said before that to me, Diamond Art Club is a lot easier for me to get because I'm in Texas as well, and to my understanding they're located in Texas as well too. So I actually get my whatever paintings I purchased other than new releases because they've been letting them out or shipping them out, apologies, later than like, oh, give us a quote. No, the one I did purchase a new release probably last week's, I believe, and I'm not getting it till the end of December or beginning of January, which makes sense because it's the holidays. So I know that, everything's going to be kind of going to take a while for us to get. Everyone's sending out gifts, shipping out everything. So I just have to wait till I receive it. Actually, originally I wanted 2 new releases, but at the time it wasn't in my budget. So I only purchased 1, and I am so excited to get that one. And yes, I'm going to do an unboxing when I receive it. And which led me to think, oh, you know what? I should probably do an updated stash video right before the end of this year. Just so y'all can see, what paintings I have in my stash. And honestly, I always wanted to do a stash, like a different kind of stash video, but I was always worried that, it'd come off as bragging of, oh, look how many kits I have. Goodness, no, that's the last thing I want to do. So that's why I never moved forward on, sitting down and making an actual stash video. But since I've seen, so many wonderful people requesting, ooh, I want to see what's in your stash. Apologies, I am more than happy to oblige. So I'm planning to sit down and recording. I mostly want to show especially new paintings that I've put into the stash. It's not as many. I make it sound like, oh my goodness, I've added, around 20 or 30. Goodness, no, not that much. I did order 2 paintings for the recent Black Friday sale Diamond Art Club had, and then they started restocking a lot of them that I had in my wish list. So that's why my stash went up just a bit, because I saw that they did restocks of it. And I was so excited that, oh my goodness, they brought these back. They still haven't restocked 2 that I really, really want, but I think I might need to wait till next year to purchase them. As I said, budget. And I am trying, next year I'm trying to sit down and actually set up a budget for myself. So I don't just see, oh, I like that painting, and just purchase willy-nilly, and then I'm in trouble. Again. Well, not really in trouble. I don't know. I'm just worried that I'll get to a point that I'll have so many in my stash, I wouldn't want to do the painting anymore. And I don't want to get to that. I never want to destash any of my paintings. And apologies, plane passing by. Hold on. Apologies for that. I really thought that plane was just gonna whoop. No, it hovered a bit, so it started getting really, really loud. So apologies for the random mute. And yeah, so I need to sit, and I am being really transparent. Majority of my paintings are Diamond Art Club. And don't get me wrong, I do have a lot of dreamer design paintings that I haven't shown. I haven't really opened it all to start because goodness, as you, especially wonderful returning viewers, have seen, I take forever to complete a painting. So that's why I have a lot of those dreamer designs in my closet, just waiting to be completed because I take forever to finish. And especially since I started a new job, it does take me a little longer to sit down and actually have time to, especially large canvases. I know that if I'm planning to do one, it's going to take me more than a month. So stay tuned for that when I actually do finish one of my large ones. And yeah, that's the only thing that, you know. And I do have some others. Recently, as I said, I did purchase a couple paintings from Moraloa. But I can show you what paintings I received. I'm just not going to do unboxings. As I said, it's just going to be a stash video. And I'm trying to think what other company. Oh, I have a lot of Diamond Dotz, including this one. So I can show. Well, actually, some of them I did do unboxings, especially my recent ones I found in my little random adventure at Walmart. So, but I do have some other Diamond Dotz I had purchased a while ago from Hobby Lobby when I found out, oh, there's Diamond Dotz at Hobby Lobby. So I did purchase some, especially since Hobby Lobby was having a Diamond Art Club, not Diamond Art Club, apologies, Diamond Painting discounts. So I think they were around 40%. It was a really good deal. So I did pick up a couple of Diamond Dotz from there. I haven't shown those. Yeah, I have it. So I'll include those in my stash video, so y'all can see what wonderful Diamond Dotz I was able to pick up at Hobby Lobby. And I believe they're also available on their website as well if you do not have a Hobby Lobby near you. I believe they're on their site, or it's on the Hobby Lobby website as well. And I have to stop saying Hobby Lobby over and over. I'm listening to myself. I'm like, I keep saying it over, and it sounds weird after you say it a whole bunch of times. And yeah, those were one of the few times I actually went to the store. And as I said, I got lucky. They were having a whole store sale, now that I remember. Because I did purchase a lot of yarn that day as well. But I also saw the diamond paintings were 40%, so I had to pick up a few. And that's the first time I actually saw a Diamond Art Club painting that was in a retail store. I'd never seen that before. And I thought, oh my goodness, they are here too. Most of the time, whenever I'm purchasing from Diamond Art Club, it's through their site. That's why I was surprised when I saw it in the store. And I knew they were sold in store as well. But it's just, I don't know, it's neato. You see it in person, you're like, oh my goodness, look, it's there. At 40%, so it works well. And those were also as well, 40%. Trying to, oh, I know, I remember now what painting I bought. I bought Sneaky Cat. I believe that's what it's called. The really large, it's a cat that they're just laying down and they're kind of hiding their face with the tail. So they're trying to be sneaky and looking over their tail. And yeah, it's a really big painting though. So that's why I am holding off. I don't know when I'll have a chance to actually sit down and actually work on that painting. I actually have a couple of really large ones and I haven't shown them to y'all because I don't even know if I can unbox those. They are way too big for my table, so that's why I don't think I can be able to sit there and or figure out a different location I can unbox them. There's that one, and I actually have Grand, oh my goodness, what is it called? Grand Cannell of Basilica? I believe that's what it's called. It's from Diamond Art Club, and it's a really, really big one. And when I purchased it, I decided, ooh, let me challenge myself, says the painter that hadn't even hit half a year. And I purchased it because I actually had a coupon, so I bought it. That's actually my largest canvas. Yeah, that is my largest canvas. And it's so beautiful, and it's a square. And yeah, if I decide to actually start that one, that's a couple year project. That's not, oh, it'll just take me a month or two. No, I know that. That painting is going to take me probably a year or two, because it's really big, and it's a square, and I'm just as slow as I am with rounds. I am way slower with squares. But I've seen it completed. It is such a beautiful painting. I'll make sure to show it through the stash video. And that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking I don't think I can stack all of the boxes of all of the paint, because I do have a really large stash. So I'm thinking of showing photos. Listing down pretty much, you know, of the different companies I have paintings from, and showing a photo of what the painting looks like. There's no way I can actually show you the box, especially since some of them are really long. But I'll make sure to put a lot of information about the painting, and I think I'll do that. I think I'll put a photo of whatever painting I'm presenting. I can give you the info, because you can read it off of the box. Well, maybe, because a lot of my Diamond Art Club paintings, they were way before they redesigned them. So I think I'll have to research them online and get all of that information so I can tell it to y'all when I show the stash. Yeah, I'm brainstorming a bit. Apologies if I sound kind of all over the place. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I think I'll make that video and try to put it up this weekend. Oh, and let me see the time. My timer actually died on me. I was doing it while I was painting. I looked up and I was like, "Oop, there we go. It died on me." And we are at, 12 minutes. Okay. I'll stop here for now. I did a good part of the, let's say lettuce. Why was I going to say lettuce? Grass section. So I'm going to keep working on this painting, because I didn't notice that the putty I had on the single placer dried out until I started pressing it. You probably all saw me having an issue picking up, so that's why I started picking up with the multi-placer, because I actually put new wax on it. So yeah, I always forget to check before I sit down and actually start painting and recording. Oh my goodness, let me stop. I'm going to keep working on it. I think I'm going to try to finish this little section. So this is, sorry, I forgot to show y'all. This is the section from last week. I got to complete it. You can see there's a couple flowers and a wonderful little walkway. So I'm going to try to complete this. So the next little quick whip and chat, I'll make sure to show y'all the completed part. And I'll move on to the next row. I decided to do that just so we can get a little more ahead on the painting, because it was taking way too long every time I did a section, and left it alone. And I really want to complete this one because it's so pretty, and I can have a completion and tell y'all, hey, I completed one. So, yeah, apologies, I'll keep talking. I'll stop it here. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful paintings we all love to do, no matter how long they're taking. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.